Previously on Lego Batman.
Hello, Gotham. Who the heck are you supposed to be?
When I left Gotham, it was corrupt. I need to find Oswald Cobblepot. Currently on Lego Batman. Alfred, where's Cobblepot located? Well, let me see. He owns the Iceberg Lounge. I'll check there first.
Alfred, scan for any extra entrances. Well, it seems that there are none. I guess I'm going in as Bruce Wayne.
Hello, Oswald. It's a pleasure to see you again. Oh, Brucey, me boy. So great to see you again. Are we gonna get on with the card game? You guys can continue without me. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Yes! Found my way in. Yeah. What the? Alright, where's Oswald Cobblepot? Who's asking? Falcone. Ah! Oh, what the? Got him. What the heck? Oh my god, what are you? That doesn't matter, but what does matter is that you stole from the Falcone shipping yard. I needed the guns. I can't risk getting robbed. That's no excuse for what you are. How'd you get up here? That's not important. Go see Falcone. I don't think so. What do you want? Why did you send those thugs to kill Cobblepot? He stole from me. That's no reason for anyone to die. Now you're going to jail too. Where are you going, sir? I'm gonna go run some evidence. You have a press conference in the morning. You should get some rest. You're right, I should. This is going to be fun.